It's always interesting to me to find out that here we are, a top 12 employer in the Valley, but yet most people have never heard of us.
Joe Glover is president of Pexco Aerospace, tucked away on 3rd Avenue in Union Gap. They manufacture plastic parts for aircraft cabin interiors, and they're the world's largest in what they do.
The industry itself continues to grow. We're on a 7-year hike of continued growth year over year, and one of the biggest challenges that we have is fielding skilled labor.
They're not alone. With Cub Crafters and Triumph Actuation Systems in Yakima, aircraft machining and manufacturing companies account for over 700 local jobs.
These are good jobs with benefits, usually paid vacations. Why aren't they filled? Well, the problem is the machines. They're expensive, advanced machines that you just can't simulate in a classroom. At Yakima Valley College, the solution, let's get some.
So the advantage for them to come through YVC is the focus on the new modern technology. We have some of the most modern machines in the state. They are highly capable machines. We try to train on every aspect of it.
They take the time, the dedication to sit with each student, and I enjoy it.
There's an associate's degree and shorter certificate options as well. And just down the road, Joe Glover has jobs waiting.
So it's really important for us to be able to partner with the local colleges to be able to find that skilled labor so we can grow with the industry.